Hi, good morning Randy. My name is Mihira. I'm your invigilator for the OET-speaking session on the 13th of May 2022. How are you doing? Well, I'm great. Can you tell me your full name for the record, please? And what is your candidate number, please? Thank you. Are you taking this test as a nurse? All right. Can I see your ID, please? Okay. Now, let's move on to warm-up sessions. The warm-up questions are not assessed and are a chance for us to get used to each other's voices. We'll just talk for 2 to 3 minutes. What is the purpose of the oath? Why did you choose nursing as a career? What are your strengths as a nurse? How do you handle conflict or difficult situations in the workplace? How do you ensure patient safety and quality care? Great. Thank you very much for sharing that. So, let's move on to role play now. I'll take the part of the patient or perhaps a relative, and you'll take your professional role. The purpose of the role play is to get evidence of your ability to communicate effectively with patients. Use your ability to fulfill as much of the role play as possible. Do you have any questions? You have up to 3 minutes to prepare the role play. You will start the role play after that time. I'll let you know when the 3 minutes are up. You can ask me if there is anything you are not sure about, and you can make notes on the role play card if you want to. Here's a pencil for making notes. You can look at the card during the test, but you must return it to me at the end of the test. Please start preparing now. Thank you. Your preparation time is over. You can now start your OET-speaking roleplay. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up. Nurse, I'm a bit worried about my recovery. I have several discomforts which I think are causing some trouble. Sure, I am experiencing several symptoms. Firstly, I found my wound red and swollen and it hurts when I move. I am also having constipation. Okay. Nurse, I change the dressing once a day, as the doctor told me to. And I clean the wound with soap and water before applying a new dressing as well. Well, not really. I don't like taking pills. They make me feel drowsy and nauseous. All right, nurse. I wasn't aware of this. I will take them as instructed. Sure, you may please. It will be of great help. Oh, I didn't know that. I've been trying to do some light chores around the house to keep myself busy. All right. What else do I need to know? Okay. I understand your words. What kind of foods should I eat? Thank you for the advice. No, I think you covered everything. Okay, nurse. Yes, correct. Yes, I understand that. Yes, nurse, it is clear to me. Thank you very much. I'll try to follow your advice. Thank you for explaining everything to me. That is the end of your OET-speaking roleplay. All the best. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and encourage us.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us do better.